This is my first time of eating this soup. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with us how I made this delicious and tasty achi soup. Here are all the ingredients I'll be using for this recipe: pomo, dry and fresh big crayfish, palm oil, stockfish. I will be using achi, the star of the soup, smoked catfish, spices, hunger, Maggi salt, ground crayfish, beef, cooked shaki, smoked catfish, I did it, and mackerel fish, I did also, bush meat, and then we have our cow leg. I will also be using Uziza leaf. I just brought out from the freezer. So come with me as we cook. The first thing I will do is by adding my beef into my pot, followed by my catfish which I smoked myself, and then I will be adding the cow leg as well. I will also go ahead to add pomo. I will be adding the cooked shaki, and then add some salt, and I'll go ahead to add Maggi as well. I allow this to cook for some minutes, and then I will add my bush meat and add more water, and then I will show you the next thing to do. If you have watched this video to this point, please help me to click the like button in order for YouTube to help me to push this video to a large audience. Thank you. Now I will be adding my blend fresh pepper, aka atarodo, the one you know you can tolerate. I like spicy food. That was why I put 3 tablespoons of this blend pepper. I'll go ahead to give everything a stir, and then I will cover this up to cook for 4 to 5 minutes, and thereafter I will open up the pot. I will add my washed catfish. At this point I will add my stockfish as well, and I will also add my big crayfish which I washed with hot water. I will be adding little of ground crayfish at this point. I will add the remaining ones later. I will be adding my smoked mackerel fish as well, and then I will add my stock water. You can add ordinary water if you don't have stock water to this, and then I will give everything a stir, and then I will go ahead to cover this up to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. In a smaller bowl, I will be adding the achi. I bought it like this from one African woman that sells African stuff, I mean food stuff. And then I'll be adding my palm oil, and thereafter I will give this a mix, and then we'll be pouring this into our pot of soup. Now I will be adding my palm oil. I will go ahead to mix this very well until there is no longer lumps of achi. Next, I will be pouring this mixture into my pot of soup. Guys, let me tell you beforehand, you will need a lot of water. As you are pouring this into your pot of soup, make sure you have water standby, because it's going to thicken up like a miracle. Let me use the word. It's going to thicken up in a twinkle of an eye. I went ahead to add more water. I added boiled water to this precisely, and I will give this a stir. Now I will be adding my fresh crayfish, and I'll also be adding my Uziza leaf since the soup is almost ready. I will be adding the ground crayfish at this point. I will add everything, and then I will add my Maggi, and I will also add my salt and give everything a stir. And finally, I will be adding my hunger spices. This is optional. I added it in order for it to add more deliciousness to the soup. I went ahead to test this up if the salt and Maggi was okay, and guys, it was so yummy. Can you see how I was raising up my tongue? That is to say, the soup was good. Guys, try this out. I assure you, you will not regret it. I'm telling you. Our soup is ready. You can pair this up with any swallow of your choice. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.